Twihang's own low-calorie noodles with light, dairy-free sauce. I can simply eat these noodles as is, as well as with an endless variety of food. We need 45 grams of dried wheat and konjac noodles from Candra International. And for 100 gluten-free noodles, I recommend the Shirataki ones from Miracle Noodles. So boil them as directed on the label. 1 cup of raw zucchini cut in very thin julienne slices. Pour 1/3 cup of plain and unsweetened almond or cashew milk. 13 milliliters of Twihang's soya-free soy sauce, which is also one of my recipes. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Hot red pepper powder to taste. And 1/2 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger. Bring to a boil over maximum heat. Once it's boiling, first add the noodles. Just stir a little bit and then raw zucchini. This is a very quick recipe. The zucchini should be cooked as less as possible. Some fresh ground pepper and rich mineral sea salt to taste. What a simple and healthy dish. Treat your body well and it will thank you. Serve.